While the manufacturing sector has proved to be resilient over the past few years, we begin the new year with concerns about inflation, higher interest rates, and economic and geopolitical uncertainty. These all weigh on manufacturers' minds as they face greater hurdles to drive sustainable growth. According to the National Association of Manufacturers, the sector ended 2022 with weaker conditions, as manufacturing production grew just 1.2% over the prior 12 months. And manufacturers continue to report concerns about workforce shortages, inflationary pressures, and lingering supply chain issues. Disruptive events have become so frequent and all-encompassing, we're not even sure we can call them disruptions anymore. But if the events of the last few years have taught us anything, it's the importance of resilience. We're witnessing structural shifts in the manufacturing sector, as many companies realize the way they have always operated may no longer work. To grow and thrive, companies need to think differently and evolve their playbooks to focus on innovation, efficiency, and resiliency. Take a look at your operations through a fresh lens, embrace the changes required, and find new opportunities to succeed. Companies need to understand the critical contributors to a potential decline in EBITDA, whether related to operations, supply chain, or human capital. Focus on those improvements that will drive growth in both the near and the long term. Determine the main contributors to the rise in capital expenditure and create a plan to improve cost efficiencies. Remember, there's not a one-size-fits-all approach to thrive during these economically challenging times. In the next few months, TBM Content will discuss what companies can do to grow in a down market, to deliver on EBITDA commitments and preserve cash flow in an environment where the cost of capital has increased significantly. Some decisions will be difficult and emotional, but with the right people and approach, we believe companies can be successful in 2023.